Removing background should not be hard, and I'll teach you the 4 best ways to do that in Photoshop. So let's get into it. The first method only requires a few clicks. Ensure that the layer is unlocked by clicking this lock icon. Then you will find this Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and click Properties. In this panel, you'll find the option titled Remove Background. The same button is here in the bar. Click on it. The tool works great on simple to medium complex images. If there are a few tiny things left, you can use the eraser tool to erase them, like I'm doing. Once happy, save the image as PNG. The second method is for complex images, but we must do the work. Here, if you try to remove the background, Photoshop has a hard time. In this case, what we need to do is click this Subject Select button. It's in Properties and the Select menu at the top. This will select the subject. Then go to this 4th tool and select the Quick Selection tool. You will notice those add and remove selections. Using this tool, we'll fix the selected area. Zoom in on the image. Increase or decrease the brush size, and here we need the Add tool to select the remaining subject. Photoshop is smart, so it follows the colors. You don't have to select the whole subject. Just keep selecting the rough edges and Photoshop will do the rest. If something else has been selected, you can use the Remove brush. Ensure only the subject is selected to remove the background. Once done, go to Select and click this Inverse button. This will deselect the subject and select the background. Ensure the layer is unlocked and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Lastly, go to Select and click Deselect. If you still have edges or things left, use the eraser tool to get rid of them. We have our background removed image. The third method is the easiest, but it only works on images with solid backgrounds as we see here. First, ensure that the layer is unlocked and selected. Then right click on this eraser tool and click the third magic eraser icon. With this tool, click on the background color. It's gone. Let's try on this one. Gone. Finally, click on this blue background. And it's gone. It is the easiest way, but it only works on solid color backgrounds. The last tool is the good old polygon tool. The reason I'm adding this is that it is the most accurate tool because you get to choose every single point. First, right click here and choose the second tool. Unlock the layer and zoom in to see the image properly. Choose the tool and make a starting point from the subject. Click the mouse button to make a point. Keep going. Hit the backspace key to remove the last point. This is a daunting process because you must select each point, but trust me, this is the most detailed way. You might have a hard time with the hair, but try as much as you can. Keep going and meet the first point with the last to make it a proper selection. With the Alt key pressed, use the mouse wheel to zoom out. Then go to Select and click Inverse. Then hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Here we go. We'll use the same tools here. Zoom in and make a starting point. Follow the path and make it a whole selection. This time just hit the Delete key to delete the selection. Look at it. Even if you zoom in, you'll see that background is gone. Now ensure to save those images as PNG. Go to File and click Save as Copy. Then choose PNG from this drop down.